Today we are going to write a short informal letter to friend. As we know that an informal letter is a letter which is written to friend, family and relatives. In informal letter we have to use friendly and casual language. From right side, first we write sender's address. It means we write our address from where we write a letter. Then we write date, so we write today's date. After that we write salutation. In salutation we write dear Umaid. After salutation we write body. In body we write content or what we have given in question. In the end of the letter we are closing the letter, so in closing we write convey my regards to uncle and aunt, and on our left side we write our name.